Welcome back, my darlings. Today I'm doing a review of Malco Brake Off, and I'm doing that by way of comparison to Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel. So there are times when Auto Wheel isn't a strong enough wheel cleaner, especially in this car that I've got here. The faces get really clean, but the barrels are really encrusted. Malco Brake Off is particularly good for those sorts of applications, so that's what I'm going to have a look at and see what we can do. Now I'm going to do one wheel with Malco Brake Off, one wheel with Auto Wheel, and we compare them side by side with the cleaning capabilities. And the thing that we're going to look out for here is Malco Brake Off goes onto a dry wheel. Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel requires you to rinse it first. So, crack on with this, shall we? Starting off with some befores here. Now, this is going to be the Malco Brake Off wheel, which is unrinsed, and this is going to be the Bilt Hamber wheel, which is rinsed, as per their instructions. Okay, so I've synced up the footage here of the application. The dwell time is different between the two, although the videos are synced up. The dwell time for the Malco Brake Off is 2 to 3 minutes, and the Bilt Hamber Auto Wheel is 4 to 5. I left them both to the maximum of their dwell windows on this, but you can see the Malco Brake Off is a thick gel substance, and that's why they tell you not to pre-rinse the wheel, because they don't want it running off, they want it to cling and hang. Now the Auto Wheel is gel-like, but they would like you to rinse off as much of the dust before, so you really get to what's left. You'll notice I've got the safety goggles on today, and that is because there's no part of Malco Brake Off that you want on your body. It's not acidic, but it is incredibly nasty stuff to get on your skin and in your eyes and your mouth, so hence the safety glasses. But apart from that, you can really see the difference in terms of removing here. I'm not using shampoo in the water that I'm rinsing the brushes off in, it's just straight plain water. The Malco isn't foaming up at all. It's doing an incredibly good job of cleaning. I've not seen these rims as clean as this, especially inside the barrel. It's quite incredible. Oh, quality control's back, obviously missed a bit. What you're going to see in a minute is the finished rim, and this is the Malco one, and you can see there's just so little dirt left behind it. And this is the Auto Wheel one, and you can just see there's quite a bit of encrusted stuff still behind the spokes and in the barrel. A better test though is looking at this rim on this Fiat 500. All that encrusted dirt in the gully behind the spokes. And this is the real test. This is what this product is designed to work on. Really heavily encrusted wheels. This is fantastic. You wouldn't use it in a weekly wash. It's far too intensive for that. But when you're tackling rims that haven't been done properly for years, especially inside the barrels, this is what you want to use. Malco Brake Off. It is fantastic.